HONK started 6 years ago in Somerville, Massachusetts, which is outside of Boston. A few years later, that HONK spread to Seattle, and it took on its own attitude and characteristics there. And after we were invited to go perform in these two cities, we were like, we need to do this in Austin. In Austin, we were like, we're very much about what the community is, and not necessarily so politicizing, but creating community as a really important thing, and that's why we call HONK Texas Festival of Community Street Bands. It's our second year, and we have 16 bands.
It's a 3-day festival. Friday night is on East 6th Street in Austin. Saturday is in Adams Park, which is behind Spider House. And Sunday we're parading from Pan Am Park to Republic Square Park. I always refer to HONK as being a G-rated Mardi Gras because it is, you know, live mobile acoustic music coming through your streets, and you can jump in with the fun. There's no fourth wall that exists.
We're really happy to be a part of this national network and this national movement, and we're happy.
Big family reunion. Big family reunion,
and we're so happy to spread it to everybody who wants to see it, hear it, and be it. This is music that's been around for a long time. Just because it kind of faded out of the scene in the United States doesn't mean it wasn't a big deal elsewhere.
And yes, the nationwide movement is contagious, and HONK just produces these marching bands across the country that for each festival you go to, whether it be in Somerville, Massachusetts, Seattle, Washington, or Austin, Texas, you're seeing new bands coming around on the city streets and back in their own homes.
Every band, every person has a first HONK, and it's, especially as a band, you show up and usually you've got a lot to learn. And you just realize, like, wow, there are other people doing this across the country, and everybody does it a little bit differently. And
then we all get together and do HONK.
Then we all get together and HONK. We HONK together.
Thanks for honking with us.
HONK, HONK.
Never